Hello, this is Jen Steed and I am doing an unboxing today. I was so excited because I got one of the Simply Stories warehouse sales. I think this is the second year that they've done it, and I just started getting into more of the scrapbooking, art journaling, using stuff in my planner and Bible journaling and stuff again, since I've had some more time to be creative. So I was really excited to get the warehouse kit. Don't mind my poor manicure, it needs to be redone. And so I wanted to do an unboxing, and the only thing I've done was tape the package, and then I pulled out the paper on top. Other than that, I haven't even looked at what's inside, so this is my first look as well as yours. I don't remember what the value on it was, but I know that they did say it would include, from Simple Stories, and I remember they did say they would include a snap binder in the warehouse kit, and I'm really kind of excited about this one because I love chevron and this blue color is one of my favorites. So I'm really excited to have the binder, and it looks like it comes with some pages and an envelope and some other stuff, so I'm really kind of excited to use this, especially if I run out of space in the planner I have. Oh my gosh, this box is full. So I got a Simple Stories Life in Color planner inserts. It looks like for an A6. They are all undated, and they've got general notes pages and 24 different inserts and dividers plus weekly inserts. So this is pretty much like a planner minus the cover. So that's kind of neat. I don't use an A6 right now, but I pretty much use the gamut over time, so there's nothing saying that I won't use it for a planner in the future. This is the I Am kit, and it looks like this is 8 snap pages and an envelope. It looks like this is the kind of stuff that goes inside the binder for like scrapbooking and stuff. So that's pretty. This is a snap pack from the Daily Grind set, and it's got little pieces. Oh, this whole thing comes in cellophane. It's got little pieces, and then it's got tiny pieces and 4x4 squares, and then it's got your normal 2x3 and then your bigger 4x6. Because I have one from another line and I absolutely adore it. It's one of my favorite things that I bought for this summer. Let's see here. And it looks like this one's all about days of the month and things like that. And it looks like there's some bits and pieces also for days of the week that you could totally easily use for your bullet journaling or in your planner for memory keeping or whatever you plan to do. And this is another snap pack. Oh, I'm so excited. I was hoping to get one like this. This is from the Hello Fall pack, and this is another snap pack. So it's got the little pieces and the 4x4 and the little tiny cards, the 2x3s and the 4x6s. And I was looking forward to this one because I had a bunch of scrapbook stuff I was working on for fall, but I really needed some fall like bits and pieces and cards and stuff, so I'm really quite excited about this. So I can go back and finish those pages that I haven't really quite completed yet. And this is yet another one, and this is called Bloom and Grow, another snap pack. And again, it's got the pieces and the 4x4 and the little bitties and the 2x3s and 4x6s. And it's got a lot of cute garden-y stuff in there. So that's very cute. And then this is more stuff from the I Am line. These are just snap cards, and these are the 2x3s and the 4x6s. For scrapbooking or putting in your memory journal or what have you. Let's go to the little stuff. I got some Reset Girl brads. Those are cool. I don't have any of those yet. I was hoping I would get some of that for the planner. And then some I Am. I got a lot from the I Am line. These are wood chips, wood veneer pieces, feathers and globe and various things. These are little photo booklets. Looks like you can put photos in them and little cards, so you can make like a little itty bitty snap album with the cards and some photos in there. Oh, more brads. This one's from the Bloom and Grow line. There was a big package of that stuff in there. Oh, it's the Sunshine and Happiness. That is my absolute favorite. I got this set from a Peachy cheap deal, and I love every piece in it, and I wish I had bought 2 of them because they are absolutely fabulous. But these are the little brad stickers from that particular line. And these are some more brad self-adhesive thingies. These look like some dude ones. I love those Chuck Taylors, those are awesome. And this is some more stuff from the I Am set. It looks like these are little elements for pocket pages. You could make little neat pocket things of all sorts out of these pieces. And then we got a Reset Girl set of chipboard stickers. Are these chipboard stickers? Yeah, they're stickers. And looks like some of them do have some foil accents on them. Looks like the clipboard and the scissors and that globe one do. So that's some Reset Girl chipboard stickers. And it looks like we got some scrapbooking paper. It's like loose scrapbooking paper. I don't think it's all one set. Oh, and some stickers. I wonder if I can open that with one hand. Maybe I'll save that for a minute, see if I can't get it open. This is a Halloween kit, which is awesome. I'm going to be able to Halloween my kids forever. So we don't do a ton for Halloween, but I'll be able to use this kit and just scrapbook their Halloween stuff every year. And I was really hoping to get this stuff because, again, I have a bunch of pages that I haven't finished because I don't have any Halloween paraphernalia to go with them. But now I have a whole packet of it. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. And then it looks like last I got a bunch of 6x6 paper pads. I got Bloom and Grow, which I think we had gotten a kit for, and then Vintage Bliss, and that's pretty cute. Love and Adore, I love the color scheme on that one. And then this is more of the Reset Girl. So I got those 4. Put that Halloween back. Let's see if we can open this bad boy with one-handed. And I'm telling you right now, I'm already excited because the top paper I see is Sunshine and Happiness, and that is my favorite stuff ever. So let's see if there's more sunshine and happiness in here. Then I will be full of sunshine and joy. There's a paper. Looks like a double-sided paper from Sunshine and Happiness line. We got some from You Are Here. More from You Are Here. See, it's kind of pre-cut. This is Claus & Co., which I'm going to guess has something to do with Christmas, maybe? Or I could be completely wrong. This is from We Are Family, which is pretty. Here's another one from We Are Here for travel and vacation stuff. And from Bloom and Grow. More Bloom and Grow. And Life in Color. We Are Family. Oh, Sunshine and Happiness. Yay, so excited about that. More Bloom and Grow. Oh, they're very pretty. This might be my spring planner stuff for next year. More Bloom and Grow. And more Bloom and Grow, because I've got a lot of Bloom and Grow apparently. That would be perfect to be using in my planner next spring. Summer Vibes. And that's more Bloom and Grow. And this is more Summer Vibes, which is not the same as Sunshine and Happiness, but it's still pretty cute. And that's more Summer Vibes. And this looks like Winter Snow Patrol. I like that, that's pretty. Let's party. I agree, let's party, let's do something fun. And I bet you this goes with it. Yep, there's more Let's Party. Birthday parties, which is good. I have a birthday coming up for one of my kids this weekend, so I'm very excited about that. And this is Enchanted. That's very pretty. And this one looks like Family. Yep, this one's the We Are Family. And I bet this one is the Let's Party again. Nope, that one's Enchanted. Oh, that's pretty. That would be great for our Disney pictures when I took them to Bibbidi Bobbidi. And more Let's Party. I hear kids coming in. I'm going to get interrupted soon. Good thing I'm almost done. There's Life Documented. And more Life Documented. I really like that. And then that's from We Are Family. And that's from You Are Here. And that's from Let's Party. And that's from Life in Color. And that's a little sheet from Snow Patrol. And I love all these letters and alphas because I use them all the time when I do Bible journaling, which I haven't done in a while because I've been playing in my planner pretty hard, and sleeping late. But I really like this, and I have to admit I will probably use some of this in scrapbooking and a lot of it in my planner. But there's my call. I am being paged, so if you are considering or like what you're looking at, you could consider subscribing to the Simple Stories email list. And this is the second year they've done it, so sometime next summer they'll probably do one again. So this is the kind of stuff you get, and it was $49 and $10 shipping, and it was totally worth every penny because I got all those scrapbooking papers plus that kit, the 4x6 pads, chipboard stickers, and pocket stuff, and these crazy Brad things, and little dots, and wood chips, and more little Brads, and 1, 2, 3 snap kits, plus some snap pages, plus planner pages, plus these pocket things, plus some snap cards, and a binder. Like, the only thing they didn't give you in here was a planner. But they gave you all the other stuff. And most people have their own planners already, which is probably why they didn't include one. But it's a fabulous deal, and I will probably totally do it again next summer. So anyway, I hope this helped, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more stuff like this, give it a thumbs up. And I hope this helped you decide whether or not it was something you feel like doing. Thanks so much, and I hope you have a blessed day. And bye-bye.